Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Engineers Bird. I am Mohan sir. I am going to discuss about the conditions of equilibrium of a floating and submerged bodies, which is most important topic of fluid mechanics subject. From this chapter, the various competitions in engineering fields ask questions related to stability of a floating and submerged bodies. Let us consider a balloon as shown in figure, in which B is the center of buoyancy and G is the center of gravity. Let the lower portion of a balloon contains heavier material, which is shown by the hatching portions, in which when we give a small slight disturbance, then body again comes to a stable positions, then it is known as the stable equilibriums. Thus we can say a submerged or a floating body is in stable conditions when it comes back its original positions after giving a slight disturbance as shown in figure A. When body beyonds to in unstable conditions as shown in figure B, then it is unstable equilibrium. Then we can say that in a stable equilibrium, after slight disturbance, body comes its original positions, then these positions, our center of buoyancy is always above the center of gravity, as shown in figure G, where the whole balloon of weight acted in downwards direction, and B the center of buoyancy on which buoyancy force act upon upward directions. It is a submerged portion of a body because balloon is submerged in air, in atmospheric air. It is not submerged in water. Submerged means we can submerge in any fluid. Fluid contains means either liquid or any gases. Then our air is the mixture of gases. Then it is the stable equilibrium. Similarly, when conditions of a floating bodies is determined by the position of meta-center. In meta-center positions, our buoyancy force meet at the positions of the normal axis, then such point of meeting point is known as the meta-center point, as shown in figure. Then we have seen in a previous figure our center of buoyancy is always greater than the center of gravity, and that means it is always above the center of gravity. But in this floating bodies, in a stable equilibrium, our center of gravity is always below the meta center point. In this figure we see B is meeting at the point M with the normal axis, then such point is known as the meta center point. Then we can say that for floating bodies, stable conditions, the meta center is always above the center of gravity. When meta center point is lower than the center of gravity, that means it is below the center of gravity, then it is unstable equilibrium. In this figure B, it is unstable equilibrium because here meta center point M is below the center of gravity. Then students, for conditions of floating bodies, always keep in mind for a stable equilibrium conditions, the meta center point is always above the center of gravity, and in case of unstable equilibrium, meta center point is always below the center of gravity. And neutral equilibrium, and in neutral conditions, our meta center point and center of gravity coincide at the same point. Similarly, for submerged body, the center of buoyancy and the center of gravity, both points coincide at the same positions. Thus, now we can summarize by the table of the conditions of floating and submerged bodies. This table, our one column shows that equilibrium, another floating body, and third is the submerged body. Then in our first column, our first point is the stable equilibrium conditions. In a stable equilibrium conditions, as already seen by the figure in the previous topic, M is above G. For floating body, meta center is always above the center of gravity. In this point, submerged body, center of buoyancy is above G. Then students, you always keep in mind, for floating bodies, meta center is above G and submerged body buoyancy is above G. In an unstable equilibrium, M is below G. In submerged body, B is below G. In third conditions, neutral equilibrium, M and G both coincide at the same position. Similarly, for submerged body, B and G coincide with the same position. Thus, we have to see that in floating and submerged body cases, there are three equilibrium positions which are summarized by the table. Then now you can share, like and subscribe this Engineers Bird channel to among the people, among the group, friend circle. That means your people of all students can be get benefit. Thank you. Have a nice day.